Here we go, here we go. Here we go. That's everybody. Let me know when y'all ready to rock.
Lock in! Lock in! This game is all about who can play harder for longer. And I like where I stand. In the middle with you now. Let's go!
Got him, he's got him! Throws a deep ball. Even Hardy, what a catch! And it's over the head of Larry Fitzgerald, but he somehow caught it. The ball will be caught by Demaryius Thomas. A fake by Brady on the jet sweep. He bobbles the ball, drops it. Picks it up and throws to the back of the end zone with a diving, juggling catch. What a recovery by TB12. Wide receiver screen to Snead. He can throw as well. It's a lateral and across the field. He hits Hightower in stride. Makes a move at the 8. He will score. Touchdown.
Hell yeah, nice drive.
Let's go, D. Let's go, D. Ready to tackle, baby. Let's go.
Playing yes.
Oh, keep your feet.
Von Miller hits him right in the pie hole.
He's scared me. He don't want this.
He gets hit and he gets sacked.
You want to get sacked, right? He telling us, hey, sack me.
Fumbles the football. It's loose.
Cardinals blitz. Ryan passes over the middle. Juggled and picked off by Swearinger at the 30-yard line. He pitches it to Matthew at the 35.
What happened?
Hey, we got the right people out there. Mule! What are you talking about?
The jump over.
Oh.
When they're trying to like go no huddle, like when we did that power, can we not do that? Make them think you turn the corner, long arm, and set them up, get 1 yard deeper, and come back. It's wide open. We can't depend on the defense every week. We need to finish on the field. I need it. Take your souls. Let's go.
Here we go. Let's be great now. Let's go. Let's be great.
This is exactly where we want to be. Let's go. Put it on our damn show. Let's go.
Let's go, Lions! Let's go, Lions!
What the heck?
Run.
Running to the right. Nobody watching it from the backside.
Prescott keeps. Kylo.
Let him boy. Keep everybody focused now. Keep everybody focused.
Star of the game for Kansas City has been Tyreek Hill, the first rookie with a rushing, receiving, and return touchdown in a game since 1965, and the great Gale Sayers.
Nice job. There we go, baby. There we go. Nice job. Great job. Congratulations. Alert screen. He'll dump it here to Gabriel. Look at Taylor Gabriel. Oh, my goodness. Taylor Gabriel has exploded on screen passes today. And the best thing Cleveland's ever done for Atlanta is standing in the east end zone with a touchdown.
People like that the whole time. He was running for you, bro. I just went behind you the whole time.
We do not have a turnover yet. Let's get it. First play turnover.
Sets it throws. It is intercepted. Darius Slay got it at the 30. Oh, Darius, how big are you, young man?
Hold on. Relax. Guys, we haven't turned out. We're good. We're going to let the clock run down and win this game.
Trade her out with an attempt to win this game.
Paceman is down.
That's the kick. It's away.
Santos with plenty of leg.
That kick is unbelievable game winner. I can't wait to eat now.
I just want you guys to know from the bottom of my heart, I'm just thankful for the men in this room. I'm just thankful for the men in this room and the opportunity to do what we do together.
How about those teams?